Okay, the monsoons broke the next day. Dark clouds, accompanied by blinding flashes of lightning and roaring rolls of thunder, burst with all their fury, flooding the streets with a heavy downpour. Schools were to have reopened after the summer holidays, but no traffic could move through the flooded roads, and there was an unexpected holiday. So the next day, the children's school was supposed to be reopened after summer breaks, but the very day the monsoon began, and the dark clouds were there, lightning and thundering of clouds were there, and there was heavy rain, and because of the heavy rain the streets were flooded. So the school, which has to be reopened, it was closed because of the flooded roads, and the traffic could not move on the flooded roads. So they got an unexpected holiday, rainy day, you can see. I thought I would spend the time usefully. I sat up at my desk in our bedroom and with a sheet on of paper before me. So I thought, here means I means Maya. Maya thought that she should use this time, this holiday, usefully. So she took a sheet of paper, and in her own bedroom, and started writing up something. Then I began writing about half an hour. Then she started writing. Uh, she wrote on the top of the paper. See, you can see it is written, catching a crook, expert detectives Nishad and Maya Pandit by appointment to the whole world. She wrote this in the capital letters, and then she began writing something, and for half an hour she wrote something on the paper, and after half an hour she turned towards Seven, who was lying on his tummy, chin cupped in his palms, reading comics. So you can see in the picture how Nishad is lying. So he was lying and he was reading the comics. So want to hear what I have written? I asked. So after finishing whatever she was writing, after finishing, Maya asked Nishad, "Do you want to hear what I am writing?" He looked up questioningly. I have listed all the facts we know about Mr. Nath, which might help us to trap him, I said. What, want to hear? Now she told that I have written all the facts, whatever we know about Mr. Nath. I wrote everything on the paper, so that we can trap him easily. Do you want to hear what I had written? Seven nodded. Seven yes said yes. Fact number 1. His name is Mr. Nath. We must discover his first name. So fact number 1, she said that we know that his name is Mr. Nath, but what is his full name? Mr. Nath. What is that first name? We should discover the first name. Do you think that's his real name? That's his real name, Maya? Nishad asked. Now Nishad asked Maya कि तुम्हें क्या लगता है कि ये मिस्टर नाथ भी कोई उनका रियल नेम होगा? Probably not, I said. Most crooks have an alias. I added a big question mark after Nath. So Maya said, शायद नहीं होगा, पक्का नहीं है होगा, क्योंकि ऐसे क्रिमिनल्स के कोई ना कोई ऐसे नाम होते ही हैं. तो मिस ने क्या किया, वट एवर शी हैड रिटन मिस्टर नाथ इन द फर्स्ट फैक्ट, she put a question mark on after that Mr. Nath. Do you think fact number 2, I read on. The tenants at Shankar house say he's mad, strange and friendly. Second fact is they know that the tenants means the other tenants, and दूसरे किराएदार जो हैं शंकर हाउस में, मिस्टर मेहता के शंकर जो घर है उसका नाम शंकर हाउस रखा हुआ था, जो अदर दूसरे किराएदार वहाँ रहते हैं, वो कहते हैं कि दैट दिस मैन इज़ मैड, ही इज़ वेरी स्ट्रेंज एंड ही इज़ वेरी अनफ्रेंडली. ही डू नॉट become friendly with others easily. Number 3, he doesn't talk to anyone and is mannerless. He don't like to talk to anyone, and he don't have any manners also. But he did talk to us, Maya, and Mama says he is very polite. Nishad interrupted. Now Nishad interrupted when Maya said mannerless, because Nishad said that Mama told us that he is very polite in speaking, So you cannot say that he is mannerless. He only talked to us because he had to, I said, and since he was under Mama's medical treatment, he had to be polite. Maya explained Nishad that he had to talk politely with Mama and us क्योंकि he is Mama's patient and he is taking treatment from Mama, so he had to speak very politely. उसे प्यार से ही बोलना पड़ेगा, वो बदतमीजी तो नहीं बोलेगा ना मम्मी से. Fact number 4, he doesn't receive any letters. 7 nodded yes. He don't have receive any letters from anyone. Number 5, he is being living in room number 10 of Shankar house for more than a year. I continued. Okay, that एक साल से ऊपर हो गया और वो रूम नंबर 10 में, शंकर हाउस के रूम नंबर 10 में वो एक साल से भी ज़्यादा टाइम हो गया उस कमरे में रह रहा है. Number 6, he doesn't work and sits in his room all day. Number 7, the kids in Shankar house and even some of the grown-ups are scared of him. The other people living in the Shankar house and their kids, some of the kids and some of the grown-up people are really scared about him. से डरते हैं. Number 8, he has no visitor except for a spectacled, fair, fat man who visits him on Sundays for lunch. He is not visited by anyone. उसके घर में उसके रूम पे कोई नहीं आता, सिर्फ only the Sundays that strange man used to come to meet Mr. Nath. Number 9, food and tea are taken to his room by Ramesh from the restaurant downstairs. He doesn't care what he eats, pays his bill immediately and tips well. That's end of my list. Have I forgotten anything, 7? Now she said the last fact that food खाना और चाय रमेश के द्वारा नीचे रेस्टोरेंट से ऊपर कमरे में पहुंचाई जाती है. वो Mr. Nath is not peculiar about the food he eat. Daily he used to eat same food and he pays his bill in cash immediately after eating his lunch or eating his meal, and he give good tips to Ramesh. Now this is the end of my list. Then she asked 7 that have I forgotten anything? Nishad had obviously not been paying too much attention to my list of facts. All he could say was, poor man Maya, he must be so lonely if he doesn't have any friends. Nishad was not paying any attention to the list that Maya read for him. He said, Maya, that man is very very lonely ना, कितना वो अकेला महसूस होता होगा उनको, उनके कोई फ्रेंड्स नहीं है तो कितना महसूस उन्हें बुरा लगता होगा ना. How can a crook have friends, idiot? I almost shouted. Maya got very angry and she shouted and said कि बेवकूफ़, किसी क्रिमिनल के दोस्त कैसे हो सकते हैं? At least he has one friend, the one who meets him on Sundays, said Nishad. Nishad said कि कम से कम एक दोस्त तो है जो संडे को उनके पास आता है. A brilliant thought occurred to me just then. That man must be Mr. Nath's accomplice in crime. I said, maybe he keeps all the loot and he comes now and then to give part of it to his partner, Mr. Nath, for expenses. That's it. I'm sure I am right. Now, all of a sudden, Maya shouted in excitement and she said that I got a wonderful thought in my mind that Mr. Nath, that man who visits on Sunday to Mr. Nath, he might be his crime partner. वो लूट का सामान जो भी है उनके पास ही होता होगा और वो हर संडे को लूट का पैसा उसमें से थोड़ा हिस्सा मिस्टर नाथ को देने आते होंगे. यही सही है, मैं बिल्कुल सही कह रही हूँ. देखा. If you insist on calling him criminal, I don't think I want to discuss anything with you, Maya, said Nishad angrily. He can't be such a bad man if he gives Ramesh such generous tips, he said. Now Nishad got very very upset because he was having very soft corner for Mr. Nath. So he shouted on Maya that you should not call him criminal again and again. He is not a criminal, and I don't want to discuss anything about this matter with you, Maya. You are calling him a criminal. He is not a bad man. If he is a bad man, अगर वो इतने बुरे आदमी होते तो वो रमेश को इतना बढ़िया टिप में इतना पैसा कैसे दे देते? Ramesh probably knows something about his past, so Mr. Nath must be bribing him to keep quiet, I said. Then Maya again added some fact. She said कि रमेश ज़रूर उनके पिछली लाइफ के बारे में कुछ जानता होगा, तो इसीलिए वो रमेश को अच्छी खासी टिप देते होंगे. Nishad glared at me with his arms tightly crossed across his chest. I was beginning to get fed up of him. निशाद को बहुत गुस्सा आ रहा था और अपने कस के हाथों को गले अपने सीने पे दबा के रखा हुआ, और माया को निशाद के ऊपर गुस्सा आ रहा था क्योंकि वो बार उस चीज़ को समझ नहीं रहा था. How can we make any progress with our investigations if you take that attitude, Seven? I asked. Now Maya got very irritated and she asked Seven that अगर तुम्हारा यही एटीट्यूड रहा तो हम अपनी इन्वेस्टिगेशन में आगे कैसे पढ़ेंगे? तुम इस एटीट्यूड को हटाओ अपने पास से, वो अच्छे इंसान नहीं है. आई विल कोऑपरेट ओनली इफ़ यू गिव अप दिस आइडिया अबाउट हिम बीइंग an escaped crook, said Seven. You really make me angry. Now Seven also got angry. He said, I will help you in the investigation, but on one condition, that you will not call him escaped crook. भागे हुए अपराधी नहीं बोलोगी बार बार. You are making me angry now. I almost hit him. I make you angry, you stupid oof, I shouted. You make me mad. What is the point of all these inquiries if he is not a crook? If you think he is nobody, what's the idea of bothering about him? Please tell me. Now I almost hit him. मुझे इतना गुस्सा आ गया. माया सेट, मुझे बहुत गुस्सा हो गया और मैंने एक उसके थप्पड़ लगा दिया और मैंने गुस्से में उसको चीखते बोला कि मैं तुम्हें गुस्सा दिला रही हूँ बेवकूफ़. यू मेक मी मैड. तुम मुझे पागल कर रहे हो. ये सारी इंक्वायरीज़ का क्या फ़ायदा जब वो क्रुक नहीं है? अगर वो क्रिमिनल नहीं है तो ये सारी इंक्वायरी हम क्यों कर रहे हैं? अगर तुम्हें लगता है कि इफ़ यू थिंक ही इज़ नोबडी, अगर तुम्हें लगता है कि वो एक क्रुक नहीं है तो तुम इतनी चिंता क्यों करते हो उसके बारे में? बताओ ज़रा. निशात लुक्ड थॉटफुल. I would like to find out why he's so thin and why he's so lonely. I want to know why he doesn't have any friends and lives alone. Nishat said that I am only interested to know about why he is so weak. He is so lonely. वो अकेले क्यों हैं? वो इतने पतले दुबले कमज़ोर क्यों हैं? उनका कोई दोस्त नहीं है और वो अकेले क्यों रहते हैं? बस मुझे ये जानना है. मुझे ये नहीं जानना कि वो एक क्रिमिनल है. Try to understand Seven, I told him. If he's lived in Shankar house for a year and hasn't made a single friend, there's something wrong. He's obviously scared that someone will recognize him and give him up to the cops. Then she tried to make understand Seven that कुछ समझने की कोशिश करो. अगर वो शंकर हाउस में 1 साल से ऊपर हो गया वहाँ रह रहा है और वहाँ पे इतनी लंबे समय से रहने के बावजूद भी वो किसी को फ्रेंड नहीं बना पाया है, तो इट मीन्स दैट देयर इज़ समथिंग रॉन्ग ना. दैट्स वाई ही इज़ नॉट एबल टू मेक एनीवन फ्रेंड एट शंकर हाउस. ही इज़ hiding something. He is hiding from others so that no one could recognize him and hand over him to the police. Maybe no one's tried to make friends with him, निशाद protested. अब निशाद ने फिर प्रोटेस्ट किया. निशाद ने बोला क्या पता दूसरे इसको अपना दोस्त नहीं बनाना पड़े. Why should anyone bother? You have seen what a nasty bear he is, I said. Why should anyone bother? दूसरी चिंता क्यों करेंगे उसकी? तुमने देखा है वो कितना बेवकूफ़ आदमी है. I don't care, said Nishad stubbornly. I like him and I am going to try and be his friend. निशाद अब जिद्दी होकर बोला कि मुझे कोई परवाह नहीं है, पर मुझे मुझे उनकी बहुत चिंता रहती है, मुझे वो बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं और मैं कोशिश करूँगा और उनके दोस्त बनने की कोशिश करूँगा. फ्रेंड्स विद अ ग्रुप. हा, यू आर क्रेजी 7, I said. The cops will take you to jail with him. Do you want that to happen, you idiot? Maya said. उस क्रिमिनल के साथ फ्रेंड? तुम पागल हो गए 7. अगर तुम कॉप्स को पता चल गया ना, कॉप्स मीन्स पुलिस, पुलिस जो है तुम्हें भी जेल में ले जाएगी. क्या तुम चाहते हो कि ऐसा हो बेवकूफ़? निशाद merely glared at me and quietly walked out of the room. My theories seemed to have made no impression on him at all. Now Nishad did not bothered about Maya's theories, so he went away. He walked out of the room because he got very upset, and Maya was upset because whatever the theories whatever the facts she told about Mr. Nath to Nishad, it does not change Nishad's heart. So she got upset and she also left the room. So that's all about the chapter.